Hello everyone, welcome to Minchang Precision. This is Tammy. Today we are going to introduce our factories and the services we provide. So please come with me.
Minchang is a custom manufacturing based in Shenzhen, China. We specialize in CNC machining of the metal and plastic parts. We are very proud of which a cooperative relationships and over 3,000 customers worldwide and 300 countries every year. Our CNC machining products are widely used in automotive, motorcycle, bicycle, electronics, medical, industrials, and aerospace and other fields. Which business made us better understanding the customer's industrial needing standard, prefers to meet the customer's demand.
We provided you with customized services in various materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, brass, copper, steel, plastic, etc.
The quantity of the custom parts can range from 1 pieces to tens of thousands to meet your specific product's manufacturing needs. We are capable of handling a wide range of parts requiring high precision, complementary shapes, and special materials. We now have the advanced CNC machining centers, 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis CNC machining machines, millings and lathes and other equipment.
With these machines and experienced employees, we are able to make repeat positioning precision with the tailors 0.005 mm. Providing strong guarantees for precision parts. We aspire to be your best partner, so when you want to turn your ideas into reality, Minchang is always here to support. Size the operating hours and start updating your files at MQJM CNC.com. High precision and high quality parts will be delivered to you within a few days. Thank you.